What is up, you guys, and good morning to everybody. Let me know that you're in the chat by throwing those A's in the chat right now. What is up, family? What is up, man? Super happy to make it here today. Super happy to make it alive. Yet again, we're alive and live. Ian Tucker, what is up? The Katie Cat, he's a little better. He's a little better for sure, right? He's definitely let go of a few stools here and there, but he's still kind of needed me over the night, right? So I'm not completely well rested. Same-ish situation as yesterday. Might cut it off a little early again, but I'm feeling good right now, right? So the day has continued from yesterday again. So at least that, right? At least we got that. What's up, gal? Powder Slave. Aiden, what is up, buddy? Zen for life. How's it going, you guys? Damon, Mike J. Reed, Casey, what's up? Steve, June, what's up, man? Rocka, always good to see you guys here, man. Thank you so much for coming on by. Really cool stuff, man. What's up, Buzz? Good to see you here. So, guys, yes, actually, you know what? Buzz actually tweeted something out for us using my mention, right? So let's just go ahead and take a look at that real quick. As Buzz Margin Call is actually providing for us some very critical information that we need. So let me just go ahead and into my notifications here and pop it up. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we're coming into the SPY on some of those potential entries, right? It just wicked down to that 464.24. We're getting a little bit of that resistance from this EMA 7. So, right, I mean, damn it, man. I wasn't looking right now, right? But that could have been one potential entry. We did say 464.19 though, so it technically did not hit it. But I can see how the volume is starting to kind of increase there as we start moving. Let's see. So one more thing we have to consider here is the 5-minute time frame closure, right? 3 minutes and 51 seconds left to close beneath this EMA 7. That could introduce the further downside. What I'm looking at is this, guys. Okay, look at the 5-minute time frame. Okay, you're watching it here. We have that EMA 200 right down here at that 463.92. So it almost makes me feel like, why not? Why not just take the price down there? Yesterday, we were doing the same thing and we missed that potential bottom side, right? So we kind of missed that entry. But in this case, I don't know. We still have major moving averages above us. This is a calls play, right? This is a bull's play. I don't know if we can actually make it towards the bottom side. This would have already been where we are right now. If you definitely caught that entry at 464.24, this is take profit right now. Right, so that would have been that short little 10%er, maybe 11%er, something like that, right? Zen and NVIDIA looking good, nice. Sebastian saying his puts printed, that's awesome, my brother. Let me go ahead and look into Buzz Margin Call's post. Let me just go back real quick. We're gonna have to go ahead and share it on the screen here. Okay. I'm still waiting for this 5-minute closure, team. Still waiting for the 5-minute here. AMD calls are in play. Absolutely. We're starting to get market recovery right now. I just want to know what the SPY is going to do as far as the moving averages here in the 5-minute time frame. So 2 minutes and 23 seconds left. We'll change the play just a little bit if we start moving up beyond the major moving averages, being the SMA 10. We're resisting from the SMA 10 right now. We have to cross above the SMA 100 at around 464.69 or 68, and then the SMA 50 at 464.77. But I'm really looking at that EMA 21 at 464.71, right? So that one is making me feel a little uneasy. We definitely want to make sure to close above that in order for us to continue to the upside. So, yeah, but the bottom side here, not sure if it still has a shot at the glory, right? All the way down to the EMA 200. But can't ignore it. It definitely can't ignore it. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and post up here on the right of the screen, Buzz Margin Call, right? So this is, oh, wait. How come it's not displaying my screen? Hold on. That's really annoying. OBS tripping out right now, right? So let me just get this to, hold on just a sec. There we go. I'm going to share the screen that way. All old school. And let me get this to fit in the screen in the first place too. Okay, yeah, price action is looking completely positive right now. And just a moment, I'm going to share this with you. Okay, so Buzz Margin Call shares with us this right here, right? So this is actually part of the economic events happening today. So today we have the core PPI. Is going to be the month-over-month producer price index information, 1:30 p.m. Eastern time. This is likely to move the markets. And then, of course, we have the FOMC right down here. So the FOMC statement. So guys, keep an eye on the markets regarding this, right? So I see why they're going to do it I see why they're going to do it around this time. They don't want to put too much exposure because the PPI, the producer price index, will move the markets, right? So the actual actually came in with that. It did it already. So it came in with a 0. It came in to the better than expectations. We should be rallying up at this point. Okay, we just got a 5-minute closure above that EMA 7. And then also, let's see if we can now get the closures of this following 5-minute candle above these major moving averages, right? So an aggressive trader would probably enter here. We're now getting the first 5-minute green candle print above the moving average from the volume. That usually means a go is ready, right? We're in the gravitational zone in the RSI here, making a bullish break. This could technically be front run for a position entry right around now, right? But remember that we do have a lot of resistance in the way. So let me just go ahead and get rid of my Safari here. And so please remember not to follow my exact example here, but facing this EMA 21 and SMA 50, this slight pullback here, I'm just going to go ahead and start entering minimal position at the SMA 100 right now. So I'm going to start entering, very initial positions here. Okay, so I am long the market, 10% my allowable portfolio. So very minimal. So if we can drop back down to the area 460, 461, great. This is looking pretty good. What is up, Ian? Good to see you. Steve Mertz, what's up, buddy? So Tesla is looking bearish, brother. Tesla usually runs on its own thing, my brother. That one does run in its own story sometimes. It just creates. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and long a little bit there. There you go. Cool. Current position right now is sitting at minus 0.59%. Sort of breaking into the green, right? But still sitting like not even a percent down. This you can tell right here, team. 0.59% bottom, right? That's where I currently am. And I have around 30% position exposure right now. So now I'm 0.29% up. They're messed up. They're messed up because the VPN. Yeah, dude. By the way, which one are you using? Are you using Surfshark or what? Position right now, team, currently sitting at 0.29% up. Right? Oh, Nord, nice. Very cool. So you've seen which one, brother? Which one have you seen go with the NASDAQ in the futures for the E-mini futures, right? Yeah, position is just lingering around that break even to minus 0.59%. Oh, gotcha, Buzz. Yes, I agree. I completely agree. All right, so let's just continue observing here, team. I'm still sitting right around that break even. What we want to see here, just to keep everybody in the loop here, we want to get a closure above that dark blue SMA 100 and ideally above the EMA 21, right? 54 seconds left to do that on the 5-minute candle. But this feels like it's about to shift. This feels like it's about to shift to the upside here, team. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's approaching some of that area that I wanted for long position, right? So 464.61, I said. If it can drop to 464.58, even better. But I definitely don't want it to cross 464.55. So that's the SMA 10. That's the bottom line support there. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get long the market here a little more. It's just the options are really, really pricey right now. So I can't actually, man, we just got that closure above. That's not bad. Okay, I'm going to long just a little bit here, team. There we go. Nice little pop there. Okay, so now we've reacquired on the 5-minute time frame. We've reacquired the SMA 10, the EMA 7, and the EMA 9. The dark blue indicator, this one here, Steve. Am I writing my mouse on it? Here we go. Here we go. What's up, Tom? Good to see you here, my brother. Yes, brother. Yes, absolutely. Sorry, I'm just exposing the markets right now, so I'm feeling a little bit let me how am I gonna do that? Dude, because I'm running into the money right now. Hold on just for a quick sec. Let me just load it up real quick here. I'm watching my position still from the right screen. I'm still looking okay though. All right, so yeah, immediate Tesla resistance coming up at the EMA 7, right? Okay, the position is coming up right now. It looks like I'm in the positive now, 1%, 2%. Looking really volatile actually. Whoa, oh, popping up right now. Here we go. SMA 50 is about to get a break right now. Okay, that's looking good. Now we're going to use the SMA 100 and the EMA 21 as support. So it's looking okay. So Tesla, this is a bull play, bro. Where did you gain entry? That's the, Bob, that's the SMA 100. The simple moving average 100 period. So my position is now up 2%. Tesla looks like it's going to have a little bit of resistance coming up at around 234.27. 234.27. So if you're playing some very short-term options contracts on that, consider position there. Position exit. If you have that kind of I don't remember if Tesla does 0 DTE. Yes, I am doing I'm doing 465 calls, and they're kind of pricey. And my position is up just one is up 2% now. Yeah, so Sebastian, consider taking some risk off the table here, or all of it, right around 234.27. It looks like it's gonna make that top side though. The resistance that you're getting right now is from the RSI too. Keep your eye on the RSI hourly time frame, right? That's a little bit of resistance. Here we go. Take a look at your position there, all right? Remember, 234.36, all right? SPY making a break right here. I'm up 2.65% on the day, team, about to break upside of that SMA 50. That is actually going to be the first indication for a continuation to the upside in a pretty volatile manner. Volatility this should be expanding soon, and we're now getting green bars above the moving average in volume. Stochastics pivoted up, and we're definitely getting a bullish crossover on the RSI. I am completely in the money right now, 4.42% up. Looking very good. And sorry, did I totally miss it? Yeah, position looking at 5% up now, team. Steve Thompson, what's up, my brother? Can you, yes, please remind me, okay? And I mean it. Don't not say it, okay? Because I want to look at it for you. Okay, team, here's the retracement back to the SMA 50 potential bounce here. You should be up around 3 or 4%. I am currently sitting at 4.42% up. We have 35 seconds left to close this 5-minute candle. This is going to look mighty powerful, team. I think this is about to continue onwards and upwards. Position sitting at 5.31% up on the day, looking good. Here we go. 18 seconds left to close, team. This is going to do it. I think it's my personal opinion. This is about to flip bullish. Buenos dias, mi Lou. ¿Qué hay de bueno? Bro, we are right now. SPY calls 0 DTE 465 strikes. We just broke above the SMA 50. This is confirmation right here, right? Looking pretty good. Good to see you here, brother. Thanks for coming on. Current position right now, team, take a look for yourself. It is up 7.8% on the day, looking pretty good. And I am 40% exposed in my, actually, you know what? No, I'm 60% exposed in my position. Let's see if we can actually come back to the SMA 50, 464.78. If it doesn't, man, you know, it's just going to be upside here. But I personally my bias is bullish here. So if it comes back down to 464.78, clean potential for a bounce there. So 465, yeah. Current position right now, team, still sitting at 5.31%, 6.19% up now. Lou Bone saying, for sure, when I can, no BS here, just facts. That is absolutely right, my brother. Very much appreciate you interacting here and coming on by and saying hello. Love you, my buddy. Sebastian saying 465.30 for SPY. Keep an eye on that, right? We're still bouncing at around 5.31%. This, I imagine, would be the candle to close clean above the SMA 50 before considering a continuation to the upside. And as you can see here in the hourly time frame linear regression, we have massive upside to go still. Still just about another, damn. Here we go. This is the bounce from the SMA 50 and EMA 21. We could catch these two right here. Let's see. Damn, it's just these options contracts. They're super expensive at this point, right? Ooh, nice little bounce here from the SMA 50. I'm going to go ahead and gain a little more exposure here, team. At this discount, they're just super pricey. Position is sitting at 1% up. 2 minutes, 30 seconds left to close this candle, right? Position right now about 2% up. Damn, Danielle. Is that what's happening with PCSA? Is it still a news event? Position sitting 3.36% up, team. I definitely am happy that I gained a little more position there. Wait. Position. Wait. PCSA is dropping, or what is it? Damn it, I hate that I'm so latched over here. It dropped 40 cents. Okay, so if it's free falling, if it's knifing down like that, please remember, team, that those things tend to bounce back pretty quickly too. Current position up 4.24% on the day, 3.38. 1 minute and 28 seconds left to close this candle above the SMA 50 yet again. Position is now sitting at 5.12% up. From 80 last night to 50 right now. I mean, position sitting at 6% up now, team, and climbing. So please know that this is also a little bit dangerous too. The upside here on the markets that would show a lot of pressure to small caps and micros. Scott, please remind me. The only reason I haven't really moved outside is because of my current exposure, and I have a few students in here too, right? But on this training play. Position, let's see. I don't want to sell at a loss if you see a bounce in the cards. PCSA is what you're talking about? Damn it. I'm going to start preparing it. Wow. My goodness. We're going to have to observe this in a few other time frames too. Okay. Hold on, team. Position is still sitting at 6.1% up. Okay, we just got the next 5-minute closure. Let's see if this is going to be the one to finally close clean above the SMA 50. That would be highly ideal. Position is now going into 7% up. There, oh my goodness. Yep, 6.89% up on the day. And still lingering around that. Ooh, that would actually be a downside suggestion, brother. That hammer candle at the top side, that would be more of a. It's closer to an evening star or a hanging man, right? It's just hanging man needs to be a little higher, but usually they signal downside, and it's on a 5-minute too, so it'd be temporary downside at this point. My position is sitting at 4% up. Right, coming back to that, yeah, man, I can't find a justification here to actually get any more exposure here, right? It's just, man, the SMA 50 is working really nicely. This would be the best candle here to close in the fashion of how it's bouncing. Okay, so yeah, position is sitting back to 5% up. I really want to expose more, right? But I just I want to play it safe. These are very expensive. Position is sitting at 3.36% up. But yeah, reacquiring all of these moving averages on a shorter time frame, team, that's going to take a little bit of time here, and it could push the play into 20 to 30 minutes long. But then the win here is really what to focus on, right? But yeah, currently the position is up about 2.5%, 1.5% now, coming back. Oh, that is getting close to. Let's see, Fed. Yeah, 35 minutes. We got to keep an eye on that, team. We have to definitely keep an eye. We have to be out of the markets by 8 a.m. Pacific time, and that's coming in about 33 minutes. We need to make sure to be out. Hey, gal. Oh, no. Gal, we're playing the upside. Yeah, I'm wondering what's going to happen there with PCSA. Sorry, team. I was just going to see if I can gain a little more exposure there, but I can't make my mind up. I know. It's just these are $114 contracts, you know. And I'm currently in the money, like 2.5%. So it's just I don't want to move my cost basis, because the cost basis is sitting at 113. While these are sitting at a bid of 116, you know, so that's it's pretty nice having that pillow. But still very much bullish. The markets, team, 1 minute and 20 seconds left to close this 5-minute candle above that SMA 50, looking very positive. Here we go. Position is now back up to 3.36% up and climbing, back up to 4.24% and climbing. 5.12% up, right? Moving onwards. 57 seconds left to close. I do have some conviction here for the bulls here, team. So I just, I kind of want to be clear on that, right? I'm completely biased here, not because of my position, but because of the current price action. Wall Street Ponzi, my brother, good to see you here. Saying hit the like button for this man. Thank you, Arca. My brother, thank you so much for coming on by, saying hello. Very much appreciate you. We have retail in the money right now, looking positive. Position sitting at 5 spot, 12% up on the day, looking good. Very positive price action here, team. Looking very good. I charted a left angle triangle in the right angle triangle. It had 3 touches both on the bottom on the triangle and the top side. Let's see, it broke above the fourth candle, and then it fell off the cliff. Wow. And does anybody know why that sell-off happened? Position right now, team, sitting at 5 spot, 12% up. Just moved to 6% up. Sorry, I just come in here and I drop it in there real quick, right? It just needed to get, I needed to get out of the way from the screen. So this was the closure. Yeah, that was the closure of the 5-minute candle. And yet again, I'm going to say it again, right? This could be a bull flag, and this could be the candle to finally break out. Position is sitting at 6% up on the day, even still. There we go. There we go. It's feeling like it's about to pop. In the SPY, my brother, I am looking at 465. The 465 strikes. The average is sitting at 113 right now. And I'm currently sitting up about 8%, 9% on the day right now, just around there. And it's popping off, right? Here we go. Here we go. That's the move that we were waiting for. 9 spot, 54% up on the day and climbing. So now remember that we have massive upside still to go. I would consider a close position at 465.25, right? Just under the 2 spot 618, which is going to be right near the top side of the linear regression band. Position right now sitting at 9 spot, 54% up on the day, 8 spot 86. Looking very good. Yeah, careful with that, my brother. When things are falling off like that, you got to watch out for your hourly time frame. SMA 200 at 64.67. I would get out of the market if that is the resistance. Okay, 5-minute time frame, EMA 21, another potential at 62. Watch out with that resistance there. Position is now sitting at 9 spot 54%, 10 spot 42% up on the day, team. Looking pretty positive. And still going up. Remember, I'm looking at a potential top side here of 465.27. Try to see if you can actually pull it in just shy of that, right? Right around there. So let me get back to my damn DAS over here. Still sitting at 9 spot 54. Looking very positive on the day, team. Very good, very good. And congratulations to everybody who actually picked up the position down here. We are looking okay in the markets, okay? Team, so we're getting very close here, right? Please remember, in 27 minutes, we got to be out of the markets. The Fed is going to come on. The Fed is going to come on, and we're just going to have to go ahead and see how we feel going into that, right? But for your curiosity here, position is still sitting at 9.5% up, 8 spot 86% up, and fluctuating right within there. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's so hard to type when your phone is charging. Okay. Yeah, still sitting at 9% up, team. Just waiting for that next break. 1 minute and 22 seconds left. That's going to be closing above the major moving averages here. Finally, that clean break and closing above the prior bar high. That would be the first indication for a continuation to the upside. $25 minutes is just the Fed at 2 p.m. The PPI information, what time was that coming out again? Yeah, we don't trade that. We gotta. The PPI is out. It came to expectations. That is right. Okay, let's see if we can get the bounce here from the EMA 21, doing the same little song again. Which one? The PCSA? Is it actually still dropping or is it coming right back up? Yeah, remember, team. Remember, if it's coming back up, you're going to look for that resistance at 64, 67. Okay, keep an eye on that. I'm actually feeling like I may want to get some more exposure here. You know what? I'm going to get a little more exposure one more time, team. It's just a really expensive, right? Here we go. So the closure technically happened above the SMA 50, again validating this EMA 21, tempting me, right? Looking like it's still part of this bull flag. We'll see how that goes. Position is up. Position is still in the green. So please remember, team, I say it all the time, right? You don't have to follow me into this. My position is up around 3%. Right, so I'm just saying, right? I have a different tolerance level than everyone here. You'll have a different one than anyone else too. Okay, in this case, you know, my position is sitting at around 4% up, right? So just waiting to see what the heck is going to happen here. But we're getting another bounce here from the SMA 50. It's going to take some time to reacquire that and really close above it, right? We thought we were going to be able to get it with this prior candle and the one before that. Right, but nothing yet. Position is sitting at just about 5% up on the day, looking at 5.57 up, and still doing its little dance here. Position is now, let's see, yeah, it's coming up on 6%. Nice. Position is up 6.5% on the day, 7.33% up on the day, getting a nice little pop here, team. Mashka, good morning to you. Guys, careful with PCSA. I'm telling you that you're gonna face some serious resistance at 61.53 to about 64.45. Those are gamble shots at this point. Okay, be very careful. 6.5% is what we're up here in the SPY calls. So, guys, can we clear up what Buzz, what's coming up right now, dude? I forgot exactly what was coming up, but at 8 a.m. my time, 8 a.m. Pacific, what's coming out? Is there something there for us? Position is sitting right now, team, at 8.21% up on the day and fluctuating, right? Looking really good. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, guys, cannot hold those. Cannot hold them. PCE data, okay. PCE is coming out at 8 a.m. I am not going to want to trade that. Position right now is sitting at 9.9% and climbing. Just about to hit 10% up on the day. Almost facing the resistance from the prior bar. We have to break that prior bar high. There's going to be a little resistance here, okay? But we are sitting at just about 10% up on the day. Right? Looking mighty positive here. The contracts I have is the 465 strikes. 0 DTE. $11,987. Dot plot. That's well, that would be 7 a.m. my time. No, 8 a.m. Sorry. Oh yeah. So. Oh yes. If you have the 466s, they're going to move a little differently. You're going to be moving a little more violently, actually. Okay, the position is still sitting right now, team, at just about 10% up. It's about to break above it. Here we go. It should be around 11 or 12% soon. Right, still looking okay. Still looking A-okay to me. Wall Street Pawns, no Arca. I was wrong. Dot plot is next. Oh, okay, that's coming up in a few minutes. 20 minutes. Then the FOMC. So is the FOMC going to come out in the afternoon? There we go. Prior break. That's the prior bar break, sitting at 12%, just like I said, right? Just literally getting these incremental moves to the upside. 12 spots, 61% up on the day, team. Looking really strong. Let's see how we can get this thing to move. So that's 2 p.m. Eastern time. So that's going to be 11 a.m. our time. Yeah, okay, so a correction, team. 11 a.m. our time, you want to be out of the markets, right? 11 a.m. Yeah, interesting here. Interesting that this, the 465s are about to run in the money. And I can see how it's going to retain that. It feels like it wants the gamma. Okay, very nice push to the upside right now, team. Breaking the 465 mark right now, pushing those contracts in the money. They are now worth, from the average that we have at $1.13, they are now worth $1.26 each. Today for an all-time high, it would really depend on the Fed, brother. That's going to be the overall metric. It's just going to be looking at the Fed. Do I think it's going to be I'm still long ASRE, so I'm playing a long-term hedge on that one. And in my personal opinion, I'm still bullish the asset, you know, so to tell you the truth, you can't ask me because I'm biased because I'm holding it, right? But to be honest, I mean, if you feel like you can be doing something better with that cash, of course, you know, can't stop you doing that. So position is still sitting at 7 spot, 3% up. Feels like it wants to come back down and test some moving averages. This is going to be a support level too, 464.88 to about literally where we just bounced from, 464.91. Position is sitting at 8 spot, 21% up and climbing back up again, 9% up. And yeah, that 465, man, it's a really trying to get it. Let's see. I dumped that shot a long time ago. Let's see. Position is sitting at 10 spot, 85% team, just about 10% up. Netflix is up 2 spot, 5% on the day. Nice. Okay, yeah, careful because you're coming up to resistance. Like I said, 61.43 to about 64.35. That's going to be a resistance level, and this thing may actually fail and continue to the downside. Be very, very careful. Position is still sitting 10% up. And it looks like we may actually get a close here beyond 465. Position is sitting at 10 spot, 85% up on the day. $11 spots, 73% up and breaking the prior bar high. This is already a good signal here. There we go. There we go. Position is now sitting at 11 spots, 73% up. Remember, like I said, team, my take profit target is going to be right at 465. I remember I wanted to adjust it to about 20. Let's do 23. 465, 23 could be the area to consider position exit from this paper trade. Position is sitting at about 11% up on the day, even still. Good deal, good deal. Position is still sitting at 11% up, not bad. Tesla looks like it wants to take off. Man, that thing is always. Yeah, things are definitely, Wall Street Ponzi, I have to agree with you. Things are definitely getting red hot here. Position is still sitting at about 11% up on the day. And we already have, oh, this may be the first candle in 36 seconds. Finally, we can say it. This may be the first candle to close clean above all of the moving averages. So that's already a good sign to the upside. We're sitting at about 12% up. We're sitting about 12 spots, 61% up. Looking very, very good, team. Here we go. Position is about to continue to the upside, 13.5% up and climbing. Here we go to our take profit target. We are 14.37% up, getting very close to our take profit. Let's look at this. This is the first clean break, 15 spot, 25% up. Here we go. Looking very good, team. Looking very, very good. Let's do it. Come on, push it. 14 spot, 37, 13.5% up. This drop here could be a support from 465.05 to around 465.01, but position is still sitting massively up right now. Congratulations, team, if you did catch entry. I love it. 15 spot, 25% up and climbing. Frankie B, what is good, my brother? Here we go, team. Check it out. We are 14 spot, 37% up on the day, 15 spot, 25 and climbing. Let's get it. Team, congratulations to you if you picked up position here. We are looking massively powerful. Where's my spot? Please remember, this is going to be your resistance, 64, 67, and we're facing resistance on the 5-minute time frame right now. If this thing is going to pull back, it's going to pull back in about 5 minutes here to 57.68. That could be a potential entry, right? 58.19 to about 57. Correct it. 57 to about 57.96. The SMA 200 resistance is coming up, 64.56. That support bottom here needs to hold, man. That's going to be very dangerous, okay? 57.91 to about 57 cents. That would be a position entry. There we go, team. That is position exit completely. We have made 20% on that move. Congratulations to you if you caught that move. I love it, team. I love it. Let's go. That was another great play and another win, team, for the Arca Bulls trading team. I love it. Congratulations to you all. That is completely liquidated. My position is entirely out, and I am up today about 40%. Looking super positive in the day, team. Congratulations to y'all. This bounce feels a little sketchy, Frank. I'm not gonna lie, man. This is if you want to catch it as a conservative play, do this. The first hourly candle that we can get, right? This one's gonna close in 12 minutes and 33 seconds. So that's gonna be the first indication of a reversal, right? Nice hammer candle down here. So Mike J saying awesome play, 13% up. My bro, good deal. So Frankie B, in the next hourly candle, if the following hourly, right, in 12 minutes and 15 seconds, if we can break above that SMA 200 at 64.58 and close above 64.58, that's going to be the one. All right, but beyond that, we're at a critical danger here at 64.58 for a sell-off. So be very careful how this thing proceeds from here, right? So conservative trader waits for the hourly candle. The aggressive trader waits for the pullback right now within this hourly and within this 5 minutes to the 57.69 to about 57-ish. Oh, dude, your average is 42. Damn, bro, you're way in the money. This is, yeah, I see what you mean. This is just a pullback, right? Holy crap, that is an awesome average. I see why you're asking too. I got you, brother. I got you. It looks like, team, take a look at that. We said 465.23. Here's 465.23. Price has been pulling back, just bouncing right in and out of that. And it looks like we haven't broken much to the upside, right? So this was a properly executed play. It definitely went in our favor. Took a little bit of time here, but it's all good. Right, and here it is, pulling back a little more, 465.18, 465.17. Let me take a look at PCSA real quick. Yeah, here's that pullback, right, that we're talking about. Potential 57 bottom, 57.17, right around there. Yeah, if you want to buy in, in that oh, guys, hold on just a sec. The little lady just showed up. Let me go ahead and say goodbye to her just a moment.
Man, we got 64.
We're back in the mix, team. We're back. Frankie B, you still in there or did you leave? I want to make sure that you're still in there, brother, so I can validate here what we were speaking of. Katie Cat, you're still exposed? Katie Cat, I'm not feeling the best here. 6 minutes to close. Oh, I'm sorry. You got a 17% gainer on the SPY. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Frankie B, yeah, dude. So yeah, what we were saying here was that your targets are absolutely fine, right? So you're sitting at 58. Let's go. That's gonna be that potential. Dude. I think 58 would be a good average because 57.69. Like who's looking at those tiny ones right there, right? So EMA 21 already faced a little bit of resistance here. So this is already kind of a clear indication that we are going to beat that EMA 21. As soon as we break above that, then we're going to need a next 5-minute candle to close above 61.17, and then that will launch price to 64.67. So Nvidia is starting to fall. That is, yeah, you're going to start seeing pressure to the downside here, team. I honestly feel like this could be a bear play now. So, dude, careful, you guys, careful, okay? This is, I mean, honestly, it's just a very, very dangerous play. But this is a 5-minute complete V-shaped recovery. Very, very interesting. Cryptic, did you get on any of them, bro? Did you trade any of these? Nothing? Let's say, oh, you're on Netflix. Let me see. Netflix, dude. And yeah, getting a slight pullback here, right? Take a look at that. Yeah, take a look at that EMA 7 472.91. Looks like a clean support. It is 5-minute time frame is a little overextended, but it looks like it still has some more juice to it. You're just letting runners in there. Yeah, I think the wick top here at 475.54 is a critical resistance. So if this thing, yeah, I honestly feel, bro, that in 3 minutes and 43 seconds, you're gonna get this closure of this hourly, right? Way beyond the hourly regression, way beyond the buy hourly, and looks like it could be. Here we go. So 4 hour. Yeah, I think that the support of the bottom side here, around 470.69 to about 469.91, upon the hourly closure in 3 minutes and 14 seconds, right? So I think that could be, and in focused, right? I would say focused right around 471.94. $61 and then out at 88. Let's go, my bro. That is awesome. So yeah, dude, I think there's still upside conviction here. I'm just thinking that at some point it may actually retrace. Who knows? But dude, this is coming right back up to that top side resistance at 475.50. Looking cool. And you're waiting for Tesla to. So I think Sebastian was talking. Sebastian, are you in here right now? So Dark Zen is saying he got a 25% gainer on the SPY play. That is awesome and good to know, brother. So did I, right around there. Let me see Tesla. Tesla. Interesting. Oh, dude, it feels like it's about to. I mean, yeah, I guess that would be a gnarly fall, man. This. Yeah, next support would be around 231.51, followed by 231.02. And then it would, and then it would actually come back and test inflection right at around 227. So this could be a 5-point move to the downside. But the indications are very close, bro. This is a I think PCE is coming out at 8 a.m. in 30 seconds.
trying to be.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, bro. Your take profit is right around where I said, right? I'm looking at some of those pictures now. 30 seconds left. Is that, sorry, yeah, Wall Street Ponzi corrected that. He told me that it would be the dot plot. I'm not sure how that moves, if it moves the markets a lot. You took full profit, dude. Best thing to do. Yeah, Sasquatch, I'm thinking the same thing. Like, it's 7 seconds left. It just closed inside of the linear regression band. Like, that's, it doesn't mean that it's going to continue upwards. Like right now, see? It just means that it's going to, you know, potentially come back and test that bottom side again of around 232.19 or 232.20-ish. Let's see. To be honest, I think AMD is now prepping a breakdown, right? I believe this is going to come back and test the EMA 200 at 137.03. This is a little too dangerous at the moment, right? So it's too close to critical resistances being the EMA 50, the EMA 21 and the SMA 50, and the EMA 200 at 137.03. This is really tight. Wall Street Ponzi, no, I didn't. Did you post it on Twitter? So Death Cross has a Tesla 1 hour. Tesla has a 1 hour Death Cross. And the way we can actually see that now, team, is that I upgraded. If you do have the ARC averages, right? I just upgraded that. Hourly time frame, Death Cross, right up in here. Triple moving average strategy to the downside too, looking okay. Wow. Can it continue? Man. So TSLS is the 1.5 levered pro shares for Tesla. It's short, right? Tesla bear. Let's see. Just a moment, team. Just a sec. I'm still here, guys. Sorry, just a sec. Okay. Yeah, and also TSLS, right? Let me see. TSLL. TSLL. And let me see the damn it, man. They both don't have 0 Ds. I was looking to see if they had the 0 D in there, man, and and it doesn't. So again, I feel like AMD is kind of prepping a. First of all, this formation in the 5-minute time frame, like, how are we getting that just out of the break here, right? I mean, we were going straight, and then we're building automatically this symmetrical triangle. can't call it a pennant. I can't call it a bear flag. It's just all in symmetry here. So I would imagine that things are going to start getting a little indecisive as we get closer to the FOMC this afternoon. AMD's holding just above that 13 EMA. It is holding above the EMA 21 and the EMA 7.2. But you know, the equivalent resistance of the SMA 200 on a 5-minute would be the EMA 7 and 9 on the hourly. And Tesla just, let me see. I mean, Tesla is expanding too. Oof, you know what, team? I've had 2 positive trades today. I don't know that I'm gonna risk. I don't know that I'm gonna risk it, especially since I had a really short night with. Short amount of sleep with my son again. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. There we go. There we go. Falling beneath that channel finally. Very nice. Yes, Ian, thank you for reminding me. Cryptic Trader calling me a wuss. Dude, I totally am. I have to wuss out. Here's the support bottom team to come back and test some resistances, right? So 231.03. 231.03 would be that could potentially be a take profit. Clean. Right, but this thing has a lot more downside to go. Like a lot more. Let me see. December 15th contracts, right? There is so much volume coming in for this ticker here. Tesla just feels like it wants to. It feels like it wants to completely capitulate here. Let's see it. Damn, those 2-day expiries are super volatile too. They are moving. Wow. Yeah, I guess I wasn't used to how volatile Tesla moves. This thing is crazy. So I'm swinging TGT calls with gains from today into cost earnings tomorrow. Just completed backtest of support. Looks good to the upside. Cost. So cost is the one that you're really trading, right? Yeah, it's just they're $230 shares. So playing shares for me wouldn't even make a dent. Like if I do like 75% of my whole portfolio, like this thing is gonna move $5. and that would be like 6 shares. Like, you know, that's not worth it. It's just but then the options may be able to do it. 7, 8. But yeah, it moves like crazy. This thing is super liquid. So Wall Street, yeah, I was asking if it was cost, the actual one, right? So you took the profits from TGT and you moved them into cost. Yeah, at this point, I almost feel like I would like a break of the 231 and validation right there. Right, I'm sorry, right about here, about 230.98 to 231. And yeah, it would be a break below that and then a retest for a potential entry at resistance, right? And then let it drop. So as a sympathy to cost, but TGT has decent support around 134.70. $134.70. Yeah. It does have support at around 135.45 as well. 134.79 is actually the SMA 100 in the hourly, so it's bouncing from it nicely. Let me see what it's acquiring here. It's trying to get back above the SMA 50. If it could do that and close an hourly candle above the SMA 50, then yeah, it's on. And then the more immediate resistances will be at around 136.39, and it'll start moving onwards, right? So 136.39, literally at these wick highs. And then beyond that, I see the next resistance at 136.77. Here's the break. Here's the break of one invalidation, right? So now I'm looking for a 5-minute closure would even it may be able to do it. So yeah, there could be a retest here of the 231. So nice, brother. Yes, that is awesome. So this thing still has further downside to go. I'm seeing 229.17 to around 227.02 to 226.51. The 228, I see a 228 in there. Right here at 228.28. Very cool stuff here. Yeah, careful in the markets, okay, team? Super careful here. Nice. Let's see if it can actually capitulate down to those levels, right? It's already breaking inflection points. Man, completely falling off a cliff here. Let's see. SPY picked up 463. Put at the top today and out with a 15% profit. Nice. These nuts. That's awesome. Congratulations to you, my brother. Very, very cool. Here we go. 229.74 and falling. Very, very nice here, team. It's looking like it still has more juice. Careful on that 229.20. There could be a little bit of support right there. Okay. Just for complete transparency, team, I'm gonna do one more trade with you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and long some puts around these targets. Right, one entry could be right at around 230.42, and I'm gonna look at the 220 puts, 2 or 3 day expiry, I believe, the December 15th. Nice. There we go. Cryptic Trader killing it. Me, myself, I'm looking at the 220 puts. December 15th. I think this is just honestly, this is, I see it as just a pullback. This is that potential entry here, team. Yeah, man, it's feeling like it wants to stop right around there. Here we go. Very cool. Yeah, so we're the trade is here. The trade is to Bob. The trade is to approach relevant supports and then be out. Right? It's that overreaction. Sure, it could be that, but the technical play would be any break below inflection just to come back down to the nearest or the next support and then bounce. The target, you have a couple here, right? 229.20 is one of them. You have another one at 228.33. And then my personal favorite, but I would really hate it if it didn't happen. It would be around 226.63. So team, I am hold on. I'm going to gain a little more exposure into the markets right around here. Nice. On these pullbacks, as I do think that we're just coming up to validate some resistances. And I'm incrementally increasing my position as it comes up. But I am exposed about 60%. My allowable position right now and still entering, just keeping a close eye here on price action as it moves. Oh, I may not be able to get the entire position entry, but it's okay. My account is now in the green. Okay, yeah, it's completely rejecting completely rejecting. My position is in the green at a 60% entry. So my personal target, bro, I mean, I honestly think it could reach 226.69, but there is a very clear support at 228.30. But I honestly think it may be able to reach that 226.84. Yeah, no, I'm completely in the money right now, bro. So just to show you, right, 12.24% up on the day. Chad Vivian, what's up, my brother? Good to see you here. Dang it, boy. How's it going, you guys? Careful, team. I am up 13.43% up. 17% up. Damn. Team, here, look. Wow. Yeah, I'm pushing beyond my boundaries here, man. This is the third massive play today again. Sebastian Lim and Cryptic completely killing it here. Arca up 20% so far, killing it, my brother. That is awesome. So Chad, what is the ORCL? Hey, Matchka, AVGL, you need to take a look at that. Dude, yeah. So I mean, that would be holding the options contracts. I'd rather not do that. To be completely honest, right? I would rather just get my gains and be out here, right? So I mean, I'm talking about, dude. I'm already up like 60% on the day. So like, I've done way more, you know, than usually. I'm in the green way more than usually. So the contracts that I ended up buying, Ian, were around 80. They were $80 when I bought them, and they're now worth $94. I'm currently up 12.24% on the day. Sebastian Lim, your problem is not knowing. Just look at the points of inflection, brother. Remember, we're gonna have to go ahead and drill again. Just look at the points of inflection, bro. Those are the ones that those are the ones that Cryptic calls pivots, right? So he calls them pivots, I call them inflection. Those are the points, and you just leave a little bit of grace room, bro, and you're good. You have 228.26 down here, right? You have another take profit area at around 226.66. Right? There's an hourly gap here, so that's why I'm kind of betting that we would go there. Yeah, Cryptic has similar targets, 228.25. So right now the position is up 17% on the day, looking powerful as all hell. Oh my goodness. But I'm not going to lie, I'm starting to feel a little dizzy here. So definitely feeling a little dizzy. So here 19.4% up on the day. Damn. 20 spots, 60% up and climbing. That's 20, guys, I am 20 spot 60%, 21 spot 8%, 24% up, 23, damn. Here it goes. I am now 25% up on the day, 26, 27%, 28, damn. All right, cool. 20s, currently sitting at 29% up now. Here it goes, you guys. It's capitulating 30% up, completely in the money right now. My goodness in heaven, that is a play. Just a sec. 28% up. To tell you the truth, team, here, 34% up. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm just gonna get the hell out of the markets right here. I'm out with a 36% gain on the day. Oh my goodness in heaven. Guys, I think I made like $900 on $400 today. Oh my goodness. What a murder. I'm just out. Sebastian Lim out with a 75% gain. Guys, are you kidding me? We did 3 for 3 today, man. Holy crap. Congratulations to you, team. I'm not even lying right now. I'm nervous, man, because I'm so like, my guys over here have that conviction. I got to trust them too, right? They're super knowledgeable in the things that they do, right? So I'll trust them too. $228.57 and dropping. You have 226 runners. That'd be funny, man. Dude, I bought the calls at I bought the puts at $80. I sold them at 115 each. Yeah, Wall Street Ponzi. I haven't had much sleep. Here goes. Check it out. 228.43 coming down to those targets, right? We were talking about 228.25, 228.26, right? And if it completely beats that 228.26, see about that 226.63. Or let me see, 226.66. My goodness. Yeah, guys, I got out with a 35% gainer on that. That's stupid. Stupid. Here we go. 228.28. There we go. Dude, Cryptic, these were slam dunks today. 228.26. Look at it. Take a look at that. It's failing the 228.26. This may actually get the bottom side of 226.66. Damn, Tom, no way. Dude, we just murdered and creamed and slaughtered. This was the bigger play of the day, bro. Straight up. Sebastian and Cryptic over here, man. Sebastian's plan came through. Cryptic's plan straight up happened just the way he said. We're currently finding the support, that the one I was talking about earlier with Cryptic, 228.26. But I still have a feeling this thing is gonna drop more. 226.66 is my target. Very cool. The SPY is breaking down. I bet it is, man. Even AMD. Look at AMD. Interesting. AVGO finding support. This is going to be your condition right here, right? So this is a reversal candle. And this would be the validation candle. But if the candle closes on AVGO above 1081.80, then your chances for a continuation to the upside become a little greater. So please remember, team, you will learn more of this in the ArcMasters trading course, right? Make sure to secure your seat at ArcMastersCourse at gmail.com, as this will be my last course that I ever teach. As you can see here, I need to get back into trading. So that's going to be ArcMastersCourse at Gmail. Reserve your seat now, team. It's going to start in January. Seats are already starting to take up. I'll send you all the pertinent info. All right, team. So yeah, I think you have a good shot here at closing above that inflection point of 1081.50 or 1081. Let me see. Yeah, 1081.50. You do have a good shot at closing above that. But remember, if you don't close above that, definite pullback, and some of those areas here are dangerous. 1076.20 would be the first one to validate resistance, followed by 1034 to validate the SMA 20 and the SMA 10, followed by this inflection point at this candle here right around 1062.78. Yeah, finding the resistance right now, team. That was a 228.26 bottom almost perfectly, right? Let's see where it went to. Yeah, 228.20, bottom side. Yeah, team, at this point, I wouldn't be in the market at this point, okay? Just know that. Okay, recovery, the hourly time frame, PCSA, recovering the SMA 200. I suspect that in about 30 minutes, if it doesn't move that much higher, this would pull back to validate the SMA 200 as a support at around 64.76. Okay, so be careful with that. All right, team, I'm not going to lie to you. I'm getting super dizzy over here. I can't even believe I pulled off another damn trade. Damn. Oh, my goodness, man. But it's just, I'm really not joking. I think I made hundreds of dollars off of $400 today. Like, that's literally the most I've ever made. I think that $1,000, remember, I started the $500, right? Moved up to $1,000. Brought it to 1,080, had a couple losses, brought it back down to 1,035 yesterday. Yesterday we ended up getting the top side. I ended up closing the account at around $1,235, and I think I may have just broken, or I'm at about $2,000. Just like you know, I always tell you, as soon as I get to $2,000 or $3,000, I siphon some money, and then I continue that $500 challenge again, right? At least until I'm able to free up cash. Tom R, thank you, my brother. So I feel okay. I'm just really tired because my son, he's been having a little bit of a hard time, constipation, right? Because of the iron deposits we're giving him. But it's all good. That's the way to make it happen, Scott. Thank you, brother. Matchka, thank you so much. Congratulations to all of you, okay, you guys? And please give a massive thank you to Cryptic Trader and to Sebastian for putting together the last banger for the day today for us. Huge portfolio upper here. Thank you guys so much for your work. To the Araceli, dude, she's so beautiful. Chat Vivian saying this was awesome, bro. You killed it this morning too. Gotta look after the boy. That's what's important. Absolutely, my bro. Dude, they weren't even. It was like so insinuating. These Zeph, he got it from his girlfriend. Mike J, love you guys so much. Cryptic Trader, thank you for everything, bro. Scott, Tom R, Mike J, Buzz, Rocka, Ian Tucker, Sebastian, I love you guys so much. All right, Steve Mertz, I'm gonna catch you guys soon. I need to get some rest, man. I'm like dizzy. All right, you guys. Let's see. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, hold any assets whatsoever. Never. Aiden Davis, love you, buddy. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, I wish you well. Very good day. And I shall catch you at the bell mañana. Adios.